students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will do the question answer of our chapter number 3 from Yoga Education, Shatkarm, 6 cleansing techniques. Now the question number 1 is, how many cleansing techniques are there in yoga? Mention their names. Answer, there are 6 cleansing techniques in yoga. They are collectively known as Shatkarm. Following are the names of these techniques: Dhoti technique, Basti technique, Neti Kriya, Nauli Kriya, Tartaka and Kapalbhati. Question number 2. What is the name of the pot of Jalaneti? Answer, for Jalaneti, a special pot, Toti wala lota, is required. This pot is commonly called Ganga Sagar. Next, after Jalaneti, how the retained water in the nose is taken out? Answer, after Jalaneti, the remaining water in the nasal passage is taken out through Kapalbhati. Question number 4. Write the benefits of Jalaneti. Answer, following are the benefits of Jalaneti. First, Jalaneti removes headache, sinuses, cold and other such alignments. Second, it improves the eyesight. And third, it increases mental power. Question number 5. What precautions should be taken in doing Jalaneti? Answer, following precautions should be taken in doing Jalaneti. First, those who suffer from chronic bleeding in the nose should avoid doing Jalaneti without the advice of an expert. Next, the water which is being poured into the nostril should not be too hot. Third, blow the nose gently to dry the water in the nostril. Fourth, before starting the Kriya, it should be ensured that the salt has been completely dissolved. Question number 6. Mention the benefits of Sutra Neti. Now the following are the benefits of Sutra Neti. First, Sutra Neti cures repeated cold and sinuses. Second, the regular friction of Sutra Neti causes the obstructions of deformed nasal bone or fleshy outgrowth in individuals who suffer from it disappear. Second, Sutra Neti improves eyesight. Fourth, it enhances mental power. 7. How the end of the sutra means thread is made hard. Answer, the end of the sutra means thread is made hard by applying wax on it. Next, mention the main precautions of Sutra Neti. Answer, following are the main precautions of Sutra Neti. First, nowadays a thin rubber catheter is used in place of the thread in Sutra Neti. It is essential to sterilize the catheter by boiling it for 3 to 4 minutes before starting this neti. Second, when the thread or catheter enters in the nostril, one may sneeze. One should wait, as sneezing is a reverse process. Control it and push the thread forward again. Next, when one feels the catheter enter through the nasal cavity into the throat, one should open the mouth and with the help of right thumb and index finger or index and middle finger take it out gradually. Question number 9. Which Kriya should be done after Sutra Neti? So Jalaneti should be done after Sutra Neti. So students, here we complete our question answer of Shatkarm, the 6 cleansing techniques. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.